Hi guys, I'm Deeksha. I'm at the TCL event today where the company has done a preview of the product that it will be launching on 28th of July. So the company has launched 5 TVs and one phone. The phone that I have right here is called the TCL 562 and I'm going to do a quick little unboxing for you. So it comes in a understated plain white box. As soon as you take off the lid, you find the smartphone. And when you open the tray the smartphone rests upon, you find all the accessories that the phone comes with. Let's check them out. There's a screen protector, a pair of in-ear headphones, a micro USB to USB cable, 2-pin wall charger which is rated at 2 amperes. Now we're gonna check the smartphone out. We're at this event before the launch of the phone, so we do not know the price of the phone yet, and while this switches on, we'll quickly check out the design of the TCL 562. This phone is crafted out of plastic. You do not find any metal on it, which is a little disappointing because there are a lot of full metal body smartphones out there in the market right now. That said, this phone looks kinda nice with a brushed finish on the back, gives the feel of a metal, at least when you look upon it. The port and button placement is pretty much standard. This is a 5.5-inch phone, so it's a tablet, but it still rests very comfortably in the hands. It's very light. For most part, you will be able to use it with a single hand because of its slim frame. The back panel is slightly curved, so it adds to the easy handling of the phone. Before getting into the first impressions, I'm going to quickly run you through the specifications of this phone. This is a 5.5-inch full HD smartphone. It's got an octa-core processor clocked at 1.8 GHz, basically a 6755 chipset from MediaTek, which is accompanied by 3 GB of RAM. The phone has 32 GB of built-in memory. It's backed by a 2960 mAh battery. There's a 13 megapixel primary camera on the back, a 5 megapixel selfie shooter. You also get an LED flash on the front as well, so you can click good selfies in dim light as well. That pretty much sums up the specifications of the phone. So now we'll quickly check out the device. As you can see, the display seems sharp enough, the colors look vivid, the brightness is adequate. The screen does not seem very reflective, so you should be able to use it in bright sunlight. I've already told you about the processor, so we'll quickly open a few apps and see. The processing on this phone seems snappy enough. With the 3 GB of RAM, you should be able to multitask during regular usage, but we'll be able to tell you how this phone performs under stress testing when we review the phone. Out of the 32 GB built-in storage, you get about 25 GB for your personal use. There's also USB OTG capability, so you can expand using a flash drive, and there's a micro SD card slot as well. This phone runs Android Marshmallow, and the UI is mostly stock, but you do get a fair bunch of preloaded apps which include Amazon Shopping, Amazon Kindle, a few games like car racing, social media apps like Facebook and Instagram, more games and more social media apps. So this phone comes pretty loaded with third-party apps. So according to the company, the USP of this phone is its fingerprint scanner, which has been embedded right into the home button that you're seeing right here, and another feature called the color catcher, which lets you choose any color from the surroundings and use it to customize your phone. So we've talked the design, display, processing, storage and software. So now we're gonna go check out the camera app. So the default camera app looks like any other camera app that you might see these days. There are a bunch of live filters that you can apply to your photos, usual modes like HDR, night, a toggle to switch to the front camera, control the flash and go to the camera settings. There are a few shooting modes like picture-in-picture, panorama and a mode to scan the QR codes. Let's try taking a picture to see how the camera performs. Considering the lighting we're standing in, the phone has captured enough detail. We'll be able to pass out a final verdict when we review this phone. Finally, coming to the battery, as I told you earlier, this phone has a 2960 mAh battery. There's an intelligent power saving mode and a battery saver as well to help you extract the most juice out of the battery. When you watch this video, the price of the smartphone would have been revealed, but As of now, we do not know how much the TCL 562 costs. It is an Amazon exclusive phone. Considering the specifications of the phone, I expect that this would be priced at around 15,000, which is a very raging smartphone segment right now. So the phone will have to face tough competition. We'll let you know how it fares as a daily driver and against the competition when we review the phone. Till then, stay tuned to 91 Mobiles and thank you for watching.